with the Glow Strong lifestyle and First Tree Apple Cruise with Collagen's ambassador, Bea Alonzo Paul.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm so happy to be here today, this Friday afternoon with everyone. Of course, my Bird Tree family and Freeview. You know, wellness has become a big part of my life, especially at this stage, and I cannot wait to have a conversation about it and learn what it truly means to glow strong. And we have a surprise for you later, so I hope you get to stay and let's have a great afternoon.